Understanding peak isolation shot in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Peak isolation shot. This expression can paint vivid pictures with just a few words, and understanding it can enhance your comprehension of English in both everyday and specialized situations. Let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts, peak and isolation shot. Peak refers to the highest point or a pinnacle. It signifies something at its utmost level, be it intensity, appearance, or quality. Isolation shot, in photography, filmmaking, and videography, refers to a shot where the subject is separated from its background or context, highlighting it exclusively. When combined, peak isolation shot could be interpreted in various ways depending on the context. It might refer to a photograph or video shot capturing a subject in utmost isolation or showcasing something at its most isolated moment, symbolizing the pinnacle of solitude or detachment. Peak isolation shot can be used in different contexts, each bringing a unique interpretation. 1. Photography and videography. Here, it could describe a technique or result where the subject is emphasized to the maximum extent by isolating it from its surroundings, often using depth of field or composition techniques. 2. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, it might be used to describe a moment or situation that represents the utmost level of isolation or solitude someone or something can experience. 3. Analyzing art and media. In discussions about art, film, or literature, this phrase could be used to describe scenes, shots, or moments that powerfully convey isolation. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of peak isolation shot. Let's look at a couple of examples to see how this phrase could be used in everyday language. In a photography class, today, we'll learn how to achieve a peak isolation shot by using a shallow depth of field. In a film critique, the movie's peak isolation shot in the final scene poignantly encapsulates the protagonist's ultimate feeling of solitude. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, enriching your English with a nuanced understanding of descriptive language. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of peak isolation shot for you. Whether you're engaging with photography, film, or just enjoying the beauty of the English language, understanding such phrases can add depth to your comprehension and expression. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting English language topics with you.